In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best fit line slope of a scatter plot in Google Sheets on desktop. This is a great skill to have when you're working with data and need to analyze correlations between variables. So, let's dive in and break it down step by step. First things first, open up your Google Sheet document. Ensure that your data is properly arranged with your X values neatly listed in one column and your corresponding Y values directly next to them in another column. This layout is essential for creating a scatter plot and calculating the best fit line. Once your data is organized, you'll want to select both columns. With your data highlighted, navigate to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Click on Insert and scroll down to select Chart. This action will generate a chart based on your selected data. As soon as the chart appears, you'll notice the chart editor pop up on the side. Focus on this window and go to the Customize tab. From there, locate the Series section. In this area, there's a variety of options to embellish your chart, but for now, let's concentrate on our main task. Check the box that says Trend Line. By doing this, you'll add a best fit line to your scatter plot, which visually represents the average relationship between your data points. Now, it's important to ensure that this trend line correctly represents a linear relationship. In the trend line options, find where it says Trend Line Type and make sure it is set to linear. This tells Google Sheets to use a straight line to connect your data points. With the trend line now set, scroll further down in the chart editor. You're looking for an option that says Show R2. Click on it to enable the display of the equation right on your chart. This equation is key because it contains the information we're after. To identify the slope of your best fit line, look at this equation. It will be in the form of y equals ax plus b, where a is the coefficient you're interested in. This a value represents the slope of the line, showing how much y changes for a 1-unit change in x. And there you have it. Using these steps, you can easily find the best fit line slope of a scatter plot in Google Sheets on desktop. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to apply this method to various datasets, helping you uncover meaningful insights from your data. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you understand how to harness Google Sheets capabilities for your data analysis needs.